Welcome to GM University, Davangere, the Department of Civil Engineering, Zone of Infrastructure and Development. Welcome to the Department of Civil Engineering, a branch where innovation meets construction. Our dedicated lecturers shape young minds into skilled engineers through knowledge, research, and field experience. Civil Engineering Laboratories. The theory meets practice and ideas turn into experiments. Under the guidance of our experienced faculty, students gain hands-on experience in labs such as the Concrete and Highway Materials Lab, Geotechnical Engineering Lab, Surveying Lab, CAD Lab, Environmental Engineering Lab, and Hydraulics Lab.